Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone. In this opportunity, I want to show you how to simulate in the Bizagi modular. So in this case, I want to simulate the handling emergency patient. So before I want to show you how to simulate, please let me introduce myself first. My name is Kedito Anggap Jaya. My standard number is 23150910028. I am from University of Pendidikan Ganesha, and I am from Information System Program Study. Okay, let's see and enjoy the video, guys. So the first step, if you want simulate in the Bizagi, you must click in this home and click the simulation view first. Okay, let's start and let's click. So if after we click the simulation view, we have 4 sessions in this part. So the first part is process validation, the second is time analysis, and the third resource analysis, and the last one is calendar analysis. But in this, but if you want to simulate, you must and we have 3 the analysis, and the first one is process validation, 2 time analysis, and the last one resource analysis. Just that. Okay, the first step, we click the process validation. Okay, in this process validation, we must input the data that in the on the glowing part, that such as the start event and the gateway, because the glowing part need the data from us. Okay, let's say in the green one and or start event. In the start event, we must input the data. Okay, let's say in this part we need 20 patient. Okay, 20. Click OK. Okay, next to the gateway, we put the data. So in this gateway, there are 3 color. That in 3 color or 3 session. The the one uh, the one is red, yellow, and the green session. Okay, guys. In this part, let's say I want to the yellow one is larger percentage than green and red. Okay, we slide the yellow. Okay, I set the yellow in 50%. The green is 30%, and the wait a minute. Okay, and the red one is 20%. Okay, we click OK. After that, we click the run one. If you click run, click the start. We check. Nah, if you want this session is going through and correctly, in the start event and the end event, like this, is must same. In this part is going through and correctly, because the start event is 20 and the red and the end event is 22, and there are same. That is the session is going through and correctly, guys. Okay, we click the close window. Okay, because the process validation is correctly, we move to the time analysis. in the time analysis, before in the policy validation, we input the data on the glowing part. In this session or in this time analysis, we must import the data in the blue part like this. This. Okay, guys. Because the blue part is need the data too in the time analysis. Okay. Yeah. Let's see in the first blue part. We set the times around because this part is receiving the report. I set around maybe 10 minutes. Okay. The next is classificate. Maybe I set for 50 minutes. Okay. Next, input the patient data. I set for maybe 8 minutes too, I think. And the next is pick up the patient. I think maybe 25 minutes. Okay, next. I set for 30 minutes, maybe. And next, this blue part, I think can 25 minutes, guys. Okay, and the last one is authorize the patient. I think this one is 35 minutes. Okay, if we done the input the time in the blue part, we run again and start the analysis. Okay. As you can see here at the result, we know that the total time if we pick with we handling the emergency patient is 90 hours and 40 minutes, guys. Okay, that the time that we got if we handling the 20 patient is around 19 hours and 40 minutes. Okay, thank you. Okay, in this time analysis part is done. Next, we jump to the results analysis as the last session in this simulate, guys. Okay, in this results analysis, same, we give the results data in the blue part. Okay, but before that, we must know how the limit about the results. Okay, for the checking, click the results. Now here we know how the limit for the results that we given. For the call center, we give for 2, the nurse 3, the complete ambulance is 1, standard ambulance is 1, motorcycle ambulance 2, the doctor is 3, paramedic is 2, and last one is driver 2. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, if we know how the limit, next we must input the results in the blue part. Okay, in the first step for receiving the report, I set for the one call center. Okay. Next, classificate is 1 nurse. Input data patient is 1 nurse 2. Pick up patient is 1 nurse, 1 complete ambulance, 2 doctor, 1 paramedic, and 1 driver. Next, we need 1 nurse, 1 standard ambulance, 1 doctor, 1 paramedic, and 1 driver. Next, as you can see here, we need one nurse, 1 motorcycle ambulance, and 1 doctor. And the last part is authorized patient. We need 1 call center. Okay, guys. After that, if we done to the input the results in the blue part again and again, we click run and start. Okay. After that, we see the result. Okay, guys, in this part, we must we give to know how many total cost that we give the total cost to handling the 20 patient, guys. Okay, here as you can see, we give the total cost around 4 million, guys. 4 million for 20 patient for the handling, guys. And next, before that, we know the total cost, and the next one is we must know how the total time that waiting results. Okay, as you can see here, the total time that given is for 20 handling patient is 1 day, 13 hours and 10 minutes, guys. Okay, maybe just that my explanation about how to simulate the Bizagi in simulate case study in the Bizagi modular, and I hope you enjoy my video, guys, and see you in the next part. Bye bye.